Making history, Champions Council, let's go!
You know, I wasn't always here. You're gonna make it. Let's go! Can I take care of these kids? Yes, I can. Hop in the boat. This is what we're doing. This is what we're gonna continue to do. Look around. Growing up, my father said success leaves crumbs. You just gotta follow the path. You were right, Dad. Following the path of success has led me to be one of the top producers in my field and an expert in finance. Success? Yes. But I'm not done yet. Do you remember when you said you were gonna go on that dream vacation, buy that dream house, be a better provider for your family? It's time to break away from average. Let's follow the path of success. Let's take over the world together. We gonna make it.
Wow, let them know. All right, so this conference is a financial summit, right? Mm-hmm. We had Anthony Robles as our guest speaker. Mm-hmm. We have Michael Franchese, ex-mob boss turned pastor turned writer. It's just amazing. Everybody who's got goals and dreams want more out of life. This is the place. This is the place to expand our vision, expand our thoughts.
Good?
Oh, yeah.
Y'all want to say
looking like money?
Y'all want to say anything today? How y'all enjoying the conference so far?
We're enjoying it.
Y'all enjoying it?
Keep talking.
You enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm happy about my family with me.
That's cool. Daughter, wife, husband, family all together.
Yes.
Why did you guys decide you want to learn about financial services, the finance field? Why is it important for you and your family as well as your community?
I think just just being able to give back to the community would be a great thing to make sure everybody knows about it. For my family, it would be just so that way they could grow up, like my daughter could grow up with that freedom later on in life. So with the opportunities that I didn't have growing up.
Okay.
Give my wife and myself the opportunity to, get what we want out of life. So.
That's all right.
What about you? Why is it important, and why you guys have your daughter here as well? So you guys are teaching her just by having her in the vicinity of this. She's gonna grow so much. Why was it important for you guys to make sure your daughter was incorporated as well?
So she can see also what we are doing, what we're trying to do for her and everything. She's getting a lot of information out of it, which that is super cool to see. But it's really important for us so she can know what we're doing.
Love it, I love it. Well, we'll see you guys in there, okay? Phillydom, I gotta go through the other way.
Do your thing, do your thing.
I gotta
Do
go
your
through
thing.
the VIP spot.
Okay.
We'll holler.
I'm gonna put more people on the spot. That's it right there. Heroes.
Baby, let's go.
But we're not talking about the cartoons.
We're talking about the cartoons.
Why'd you guys come here to the conference?
Really, I want to build a legacy for my family and my kids.
Okay.
I want to learn, a lot about the business and grow.
Okay.
Personally grow, because I'm tired of working 9 to 5.
I hear you.
I'm tired of, living paycheck to paycheck and everything going up, gas and rent and cell phone bills. No, I want to be able to be free, have time for my kids,
I hear you.
Yeah.
It makes a lot of sense.
It's a lot of information, good information.
Definitely worth coming.
So it's a lot of things that people be missing out. There should be a lot more people here taking advantage of this. So
like how they started where I'm at, or sometimes even below where I'm at right now, and how they have progressed in their life and like achievements they've received from PHP. So I'm just looking what my future is going to look like, and the motivation that big event is giving me.
I know. Y'all hear them in there like going crazy.
That's what we out here. It's too loud for us.
Yeah, they going crazy. Because they ain't going to open the door till 9 o'clock anyway.
Exactly.
You want to say something? Why'd you come to the conference for? You want to say something?
Look, I'm just trying to get some money.
Are you trying to get some money? I mean, that's blunt into reality.
Help people and get some money.
Okay.
Watching me be up there the next a year or two.
You hear that? They gonna be on the board.
Matter of fact, from now on, we up from here.
Okay. We up from here. That's what's up.
Oh yeah, we love Jesus.
That's
Jesus
what's
Christ
up.
is Lord, okay?
That's all right. Amen.
Only way up in heaven. Okay?
Yeah. That's all right.
You gonna put that on YouTube?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a big channel. Oh, you said.
Oh wow, put it in the selfie mode? That's nice.
Yeah.
I do see those online.
Yeah, I'm a professional YouTuber. That's my job.
Oh yeah, traveler?
Yeah.
We trying to be you?
Yeah, I've been doing it 7 years. Oh yeah. Boom. Look at this, guys. Let me go in. I'm gonna go in there. I'll be back. Oh, I gotta show the hill. Stunting. They stunting. I'll be back. It opens at 9 o'clock, guys. But